Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oxygen from plants. Plants are incredible living organisms that perform a vital function for our planet. They produce oxygen. This process, called photosynthesis, uses sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create the air we breathe. Understanding how to optimize this natural system can help you improve air quality in your own environment. We'll explore simple steps to maximize your plant's oxygen output. Photosynthesis is the core mechanism. Plants absorb water through their roots and carbon dioxide from the air through tiny pores called stomata on their leaves. Inside the leaves, a green pigment called chlorophyll captures light energy from the sun. This energy powers a chemical reaction, converting carbon dioxide and water into glucose, which is food for the plant, and releasing oxygen as a byproduct. It's a truly remarkable natural factory. To encourage maximum oxygen production, create an optimal environment for your plants. They need plenty of light, ideally 6 to 8 hours of direct or bright indirect sunlight each day. Water them regularly, ensuring the soil stays consistently moist but never soggy, which can lead to root rot. Good air circulation is also key, as it helps with carbon dioxide absorption and prevents fungal issues. Healthy plants produce more oxygen. To truly maximize oxygen output, select plants known for their efficiency, such as peace lilies, spider plants, or snake plants. Increasing the sheer number of plants in your home will naturally boost overall oxygen levels. Remember to gently wipe dust off leaves regularly. Clean leaves absorb light more effectively. During shorter, darker days, supplemental grow lights can provide the necessary energy for continuous photosynthesis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.